Yesterday, fire awakened the wood, but today, the story is not yet finished. Yesterday, the body and the base of the fairy house were given life by flame. The scars of fire became memory, but the house is still waiting. Today, the journey continues. Every home needs a soul, and that soul begins with a mark. The initial logo is pressed into the wood, burned with heat, sealed with memory. It is not just a decoration. It is identity. It is the maker's voice. Fire gives strength, but only touch can give grace. The sanding begins. The wheel turns, the surface softens. Rough lines become flowing. Raw curves become graceful. The base is ready to carry the story. A house without light is only a shadow, but one spark can change everything. The wires are fixed, the switch is set. The bulb glows warmly inside. The doorway shines. The windows breathe. And the fairy house begins to whisper with light. Not fire this time, but oils. A gift that seals life into wood. Jojoba and avocado oil are brushed onto the surface. The liquid sinks deep into the grain. Pale lines darken, textures rise. The wood glows with warmth. The oil protects, it seals. It blesses the house with time. This is not just a carving, this is a soul, carved in wood and lit with fire. Now the fairy house is reborn. By day, it looks aged yet alive. By night, it glows as if someone truly lives inside. This is not simply a lamp. It is a memory of fire, a trace of hands, a voice of patience. The intention is clear. Even the smallest home can hold stories, can hold warmth, and can hold the soul of its maker. The fairy now has a house, a place to return to, and a light that will never fade. The fairy now has a house, a place to return to, and a light that will never fade. But this is only the beginning. Every home deserves a world around it. In the next chapter, the fairy house will not stand alone. Its garden, its path, and its story will grow. Stay with me and discover what awaits in part 4.